There's the poker room. This poker room is normally pretty crowded. And here's the bingo. I believe that's the smokers lounge. Yeah, that's the smokers behind that glass. And they've got the door slightly ajar so that these people can enjoy their cigarettes. It's nice of them.
Okay.
$2.99, 24/7 at Game On. Shrimp cocktail. They stuff the bottom with roughage, and then they put that ketchup, and then they throw on those shrimp. I remember these used to be at 99 cents on the strip. Remember if it was Westward Ho or if it was Slots of Fun that had them for 99 cents. Well, for sure Golden Gate did downtown.